Android 17 Beta 1 just added a new way to customize the Google search bar on Pixel phones, including a brand new shortcut option. Here's how to fully customize the Google search bar on your Pixel running Android 17. Go to your Pixel home screen. Then, long press the Google search bar widget at the bottom. Tap Widget Settings. Here you'll see several customization options for the Google search bar, including Theme, Transparency, and the new shortcut option. First, let's look at the theme settings or change Google search bar theme. You can choose System Theme, Light Theme, Dark Theme, or a custom color. Just select the style you prefer, and the search bar will update instantly. You can also adjust the transparency slider to make the search bar more solid or more transparent on your home screen. New Android 17 feature Change Shortcut. Now scroll down and tap Change Shortcut. This is the new feature in Android 17 Beta 1. You'll see a list of shortcuts you can add to the Google search bar, such as AI Mode, Live, Translate, Song Search, Sports, Finance, Homework, Dictionary, Latest News, and more. Select the shortcut you want, and it will appear directly on the Google search bar for quick access from your home screen. If you prefer, you can also choose none to remove the shortcut completely. If you ever want to go back to the default look, tap the Reset button in the top right corner. So that's how you can customize the Google search bar, including the new shortcut feature, on Pixel devices running Android 17 Beta 1.